Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the minimal file set so the project runs now. Create a folder, then add manifest. JSON with manifest version 3, name, version, action, and basic permissions. Add pop-up. HTML and pop-up. JS for the UI plus content. JS for page scripts. Save an icon at 128 times 128. Once done, open Chrome, go to Chrome, //extensions and enable developer mode. Make sure to click Load Unpacked and point to your folder. You will iterate fast from this live install. You now implement the extension's behavior and messaging so features work reliably. Put DOM manipulation in content, JS and guard it with checks or a mutation observer to handle single-page apps. Add a background service worker in manifest to receive events, schedule alarms, and manage state off the page. Wire pop-up. JS to send Chrome. Runtime. Send message, then handle messages in content. JS and the service worker. Once messages flow, test interaction paths and watch console logs in both the page and the extension service worker for errors. You finish by validating and packaging, then resolving common failures. Test your extension across target pages and enable incognito testing when relevant, because behavior can differ. Once stable, pack the extension or upload it to the Chrome Web Store following their published steps. If something breaks, open DevTools for the page and the service worker console, confirm manifest permissions match URLs, review content security policy errors, and ensure the service worker isn't unloading unexpectedly. These checks usually reveal the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.